Are you having trouble getting views and engagement on your Instagram stories? Well, today we're going to talk about how to step up your Instagram stories game using the native features within Instagram stories. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new to our channel, we are High Season, a social media agency that helps business owners, entrepreneurs, and marketers step their social media game up and break the algorithm. Today we're going to talk about Instagram stories. Brands should really be taking advantage of this key Instagram feature.
That's it.
You might not be getting a lot of engagement on your Instagram stories though, or you might not be using them at all. So you're going wrong there.
Right. Use
Instagram stories and use it daily if you can.
Mm-hmm.
But today we're going to cover some cool, fun ways you can increase your engagement using some of the native features that Instagram stories has.
Absolutely. So if you've used Instagram stories before, when you hit those little buttons at the top, it brings up a screen similar to like if you're on an iPhone, the notification center. Now on that screen are a whole bunch of the native features, or otherwise known as stickers. Mm-hmm. We're going to talk about 5 of those stickers today that you can use to increase your engagement, to make things a little more fun for your followers. So the first one we're going to look at is the polls. So the polls are essentially an A/B question and answer situation you can put on any of the media, whether it's a video, boomerang, or a picture, and you can ask a question. Now, you could use this for a ton of different ways. A lot of ways I've seen brands do it is to do essentially like a mini focus group. Like, hey guys, do you prefer this in red or blue? Or should we release tacos or churros? Or whatever it might be. It gets people touching the screen, and then you can see an immediate result there in a percentage point of who has voted for something. So super simple, super effective. We've had polls on Twitter for a little longer, and then they brought it in on Facebook. So when they brought it in stories, it was like a perfect way to just really get people touching the screen and not hitting next.
The question sticker. Now this is great because you can ask open-ended questions and get some really cool feedback or answers from your audience. We love this. You can ask about a product that you want to release if you like we've asked for our clients, like what new food item would you love to see in our menu? And that's a very interesting way to get engagement. You want to have as much engagement on your stories as possible because this lets Instagram know that activity is happening, and it really helps you in the algorithm. So utilizing that question sticker is very, very cool, and get creative with it. If you're a personal brand, Ask Me Anything would be a really cool one as well. And then it's a good time to just build a dialogue with your followers.
That's it. And you can share the answers. The ones that you want to share, you can actually share that and then respond in a video format if you like, or some people are creative and they'll answer with a picture of what the answer is. It's very, very cool. All right, another one of the features on Instagram stories is the countdown feature. I think they brought this in either early this year or late last year. A great way to use that to count down to anything major that you're doing. Maybe you're going live at a certain time.
So it's great for like a product launch as well. Like if you're launching something cool, you can keep adding that countdown in. We've done it with giveaways for clients as well to keep people reminded like, hey, this countdown's ending, this giveaway's ending. So yeah.
Very good.
Instagram has just launched quizzes, which is very, very cool. I love this, particularly because you can have a lot of fun with it and ask maybe some skill testing questions that you can pair with a giveaway as an additional incentive. So because people have to answer correctly, this has added another element to it, separate from like what the questions would do, because this is like, hey, get this answer right, and you might get something in return, or testing knowledge of what like a client or what your customers could have. So it's like a cool way to even educate your customers or your followers as well.
The final feature is the sliding scale. Now, I feel like this one is probably the least useful one as far as maybe brand feedback or like a mini focus group, because essentially I would say 9.5 out of 10 people would just slide all the way to like they love it. But I think more importantly, it gets engagement, it gets people's fingers touching it once again, not tapping next, but engaging with the post.
All right, guys, so those are some cool Instagram stories features that you might not be using that you should use to increase your engagement on your overall profile. As your content becomes more engaging, that should push you up into the algorithm a little bit more and help your overall account. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, check us a thumbs up, hit subscribe below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos from us. Follow us on social media everywhere at High Season Co. And you can check out our website, High Season Co, for some blog posts and all that fun stuff. All right, guys, until next time.
Peace.